So, have you tried Canva Code yet? I get it. It can feel overwhelming if you're unsure where to start. But really, just jumping in is the best way to learn. So many educators are saying it's made their classroom dreams come true. And don't worry, we've prepared lots of resources for you to refer to and practice with. You didn't think we'd leave you hanging, did you? After experimenting with Canva Code and testing some basic prompts, it's time to consider the tools that keep your students engaged and focused. That's where we're going to look at in this session. Tiny widgets, big classroom impact. Here in the search box, I'm going to enter my prompt. With every AI tool, the more specific your prompts, the more precise your first version will be. As you can see, I'm keeping it conversational and relaxed. The prompt is getting long, but that's a good thing. The more detail you give it, the better the result. Once everything is set, Canva Code will handle the rest. Whoa, that was fast! Let's see what we've created. Our first version looks just like what I was after. I'm already thinking of all the ways I could use this, selecting students to answer questions, forming groups, and arranging seats. What other ideas do you have? Share your thoughts in the comments. As with all AI, it's important to remember that our first version is just a starting place. We can always go back and modify. The more specific, the better. Let me show you what I mean. This is a widget I prepared earlier, and it's turned out quite nicely. But I did want it to be a little less colourful, and I want to make sure that it's accessible, so more of my students can use it. And maybe I want to change it every week, just to keep my students guessing. Or maybe I want to include something topical, or change it depending on the time of the year. I've got so many ideas. As you can see, I've been adding them to the prompt. Let's see what happens. This is perfect! And look at the season picker at the top. Nice! You can keep evolving this by adding more prompts, creating something truly unique for you and your students. I'm sure you're asking how students interact with my updated widget. Click Add to Design, and you can publish your creation as any one of these options. I'll make a presentation and then share a public view link. I can simply send this out to students and they can jump in and start playing with it themselves. There it is, live for the world to use. So easy. Something I've always wanted is a leaderboard. It's a great visual reminder for students and helps to keep them motivated. Let's use Canva Code to create a leaderboard tailored to my class's needs. Back in Canva Code, I'm going to be as specific as possible. Let me enter my prompt. I'm clearly stating what I need, making sure it's specific. Hit this arrow and let your words do the work. As always, I want to refine and modify to make sure what I've created suits my needs. Let's see if it's ready. Oh, that looks great! This time, I want to enter in the whole class at once and have the ability to have tabs for each class period or subject area. And maybe let's keep it to the top 10 to celebrate those who are doing well instead of highlighting any students struggling. Again, I let the words do the work. Now I have exactly what I need. It's a perfectly customized student leaderboard that tracks class performance, visualizes progress, and is easy to update with new students or activities. As educators, we're constantly searching for ways to engage students and make our lessons more interactive. But finding the right resources can often feel like an endless struggle. But now, with Canva Code, we can create exactly what we need when we need it. Now, let's look at two super exciting use cases, simulations and a math facts game. Both of these tools will not only enhance student learning, but also make it interactive and fun. Let's type in our prompt, make it specific and clear, while keeping it conversational and comfortable. Oh, I might make it a little interactive as well. Now, we let Canva Code do its thing. Oh, this is amazing! The only thing missing is a text-to-speech button, so I can make sure this is more accessible for my students. You'll notice that Canva Code is doing the work each time, and you'll see it running through the code. Okay, let's test it out.
States of matter simulation. This simulation shows how particles behave in different states of matter. Currently showing liquid state. Use the temperature slider to change between solid, liquid, gas, and plasma states. Matching game. Match each state of matter with its correct description. Click on a state of matter card, then click on the description you think matches it. If they match, they will stay highlighted. If not, try again.
How cool is that? This matching activity is a really great revision tool for my students. It's super simple, yet highly engaging. In hardly any time at all, I've developed an interactive tool that helps my students observe transitions between states. Okay, let's try something a little more complex. What about something that students dread and typically avoid? Yeah, I'm talking about maths. Sorry, maths educators. How could Canva Code make practicing maths more fun? Let's gamify it. We're going to head back to our new favourite place, the search box, and select Canva AI and Code for me. Enter in your prompt. I'm actually just copying and pasting a prompt I've already written. Now the coding begins. Watching the AI work is really adding to my happiness. You could say my excitement is multiplying. Is your enthusiasm less than or greater than mine? Okay, sorry, I'll stop. Whoa, this is epic. It's created a math quest for my students with different levels and even an adventure map. They can earn rewards and move up to the next level based on their performance in the one before. This would have taken me hours to try and find something similar online. Now that you've discovered the power of Canva Code, you're ready to craft your own classroom tools. Whether it's a fun randomizer, a timer, or a more advanced creation, the options are, well, limitless. Bring your ideas to life, elevate your lessons, and regain some of your valuable time.